In this video, I'm going to show you how to see linked accounts on Steam. If you've ever connected your Steam account to services like EA, Ubisoft, Rockstar, or Epic Games, you might want to check which accounts are currently linked. This is especially useful if you're troubleshooting login problems, switching accounts, or just making sure your gaming accounts are connected correctly. One important thing to know is that Steam does not provide a single page where you can see every third-party account linked to your profile. Because of that, the way you check linked accounts is slightly different from what many people expect. Don't worry though, the process is actually very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the easiest method step by step so you can quickly see which accounts are connected to your Steam profile. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Steam tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. The key thing to understand is that most account connections with Steam are managed by the game publishers themselves, not directly inside the Steam interface. That means if you want to see whether your Steam account is linked to a service like EA, Ubisoft, Rockstar, or another publisher, you need to check that connection from the publisher's own website. To start, open your browser and go to the website of the publisher whose game you play. For example, if you want to check an EA game connection, go to the official EA website. If you want to check Ubisoft games, go to Ubisoft's website. The same idea applies to Rockstar, Epic Games, and other publishers that integrate with Steam. Once you're on the publisher's website, sign into your account. Make sure you sign in using the account that you normally use when launching that publisher's games through Steam. After logging in, navigate to your account settings or profile settings. Most publishers include a section called Linked Accounts, Connected Accounts, or Apps and Accounts. Inside that section, you'll usually see a list of platforms that are connected to your account, including Steam if it has been linked before. If Steam appears in that list, it means your Steam account is currently connected to that publisher account. If you don't see Steam listed, then the accounts are not linked. This method works for most major game publishers and is currently the most reliable way to verify connections between Steam and third-party services. If you play games from multiple publishers, you may need to repeat this process on each publisher's website to see all the accounts that are connected to your Steam profile. It only takes a minute and it helps you stay in control of your account connections, and that's how you see linked accounts on Steam. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Steam guides and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.